let's talk a little bit about some of the other things under Texas Cash Cow's umbrella. We provide the property, the construction, the property management. Let's talk a little bit about the insurance, some of the different things that we do different than the average Joe to make sure that the investor is covered and make sure he's covered correctly.
Sure. Insurance is a big factor. Because if you're not savvy enough, you know how insurance companies most of the time work. They want to collect money, every month, but when it comes time to when the person needs them most and they need a payout because there is a claim, then they want to try to keep their money at that point. Yeah. What we've done is partnered with our insurance company to provide to all of our customers a comprehensive service where we actually have the policy before our customers get it. We own all these homes before we sell them to our customers. We pay cash for them. So our policy is their policy. We just roll it over to them. But what that covers, some key points that covers is, in Texas we have wind and hail. Yep. And those are the two, major things that can affect a house, which it affects the roof mostly. All of our homes have composite shingle roofs, but that wind and hail coverage is 100% on the roof. About every 5 to 7 years we have a wind or hailstorm. If that roof is damaged, you're going to get a whole new roof. That's a big expense for a renter. To have a rental property. If you were to have to replace a roof, it's generally $5,000 to $8,000. There goes your profits for a few years. That's not the case with our properties.
Full replacement value.
Full replacement value. That's exactly right. No questions asked. We deal with the insurance company directly. We'll do the repairs for our customers. There's rent loss coverage also. If there were to be a catastrophe, the house burned down, for instance, they actually pay out what the house is worth, not what our customers pay for it. Yeah. So that's a very good point in that, our customers are buying equity in these houses. If they buy it down here and it's actually worth this, the insurance is going to pay what it's worth, not what you bought it at. That's very important. They also pay rent loss coverages. If, for instance, the property has a loss and it's uninhabitable, they're going to pay from the date of the loss that amount of rent that you were getting, so you can make your mortgage payment and don't have to worry coming out of pocket for it. That's very important. It also has vandalism coverage. Let's say, everybody's worried about, what if a property had a tenant in it and they wrecked my property, beyond the deposit that the tenant left, if they left damages. Has vandalism coverage. If it goes beyond that deposit that the tenant left, then your insurance will kick in and they'll pay for that. That's considered vandalism. Yeah. So what we try to create with with the insurance, the property management, the construction, everything in our team, we've tried to create a scenario where our tenants, our customers are out of pocket as very little. Yeah. Any scenario is covered where there's no surprises, and we've learned by experience through many, many years of this that we're here to take care of our customers, and we've been through every scenario and tried to create a perfect storm where basically they're just here to make cash flow.
Absolutely.